pretty good for a single sub, man. And you actually can hear all the lyrics, no distortion. You did a good job tuning it, too. I like it, man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, how old is this vehicle?
It's 1990.
1990, wow. Whoa, this is unique.
Yeah, a little different. Sundown X12 V3.
Okay.
Strapped to 2 Wolfram 2400s. 4 8-inch mid bass, 4 6.5 inch mid range.
Very nice.
Bunch of batteries.
Did you do all this install?
Yes, sir.
Looks good. I like it. Very unique style. What made you do this type of box with a chamfer here instead of just like a standard square center console?
Well, I had a console in here, but I took it out. But I like the inverted look. And originally I had a 15, and I couldn't fit it behind the back seat in a traditional box.
Yes, sir.
And I just wanted to have it at an angle so it looked cool. And
it does, yeah. Nice. Oh, big difference. Your name?
Steve.
Do you know your cubic space roughly, or the port tuning?
It's 3.9 cubes, 33 hertz.
Nice. Looks good. Any SPL tests?
Right now it's 142, maybe 144 too.
Okay, almost 45.
Very nice.
You happy with it for a single sub?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Sorry for the questions. I just like to know everything.
Sorry.
I'd love to hear it, man. Do you want me to roll this down or keep it up?
Whatever you want.
Okay, I'll roll it down. Just since you have a manual, I'll have to move it. I like it. Nice doors, all the DS18 tweeters and mid-range too. Do you have any upgraded alternator?
Yep, 250 alt, the 2 North Stars in the back, and then 2 Duracell Platinums under the hood.
Okay.
And I do street battles.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Good, man. I like it.
It's all about clarity.
Yes, sir.
Not all about just bass.
Just bass, yeah. You can hear everything, clarity, sound quality. Very nice. I appreciate it, man. Are you able, sorry, another question. Are you able to mount this regular with the depth?
Not in this box.
Not in that box.
Because the port starts right here, so.
Got it. So it is made for invert.
Right.
I like it.
Yeah, they had to put the rings on it because the surround would hit the port actually.
Really?
So that's why I had to extend it out a little bit.
Got it. That makes sense. Wow. Is there a way I can see under your hood?
Yeah.
Nice. 1990. Oh, double 8. There we go. Does this go up? Does this go up at all?
Yeah.
It won't move at all?
Nope.
Really? Okay. I'll take a picture like this then. Nice. That's like 10. That's pretty cool. Thanks for showing that. That's pretty funny, man. So you routed it to P out. That's pretty cool.
I gotta put a separate switch on it, so
yeah.
So I ain't gotta run the wipers with it.
That's pretty cool. Thanks for showing me, man. That was awesome. They'll like that. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walkthrough. We got a Stevens old school style install, single 12-inch sub, taking a lot of power. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Definitely a unique style design. Never really seen a box like this before. These two amplifiers, rated at 2,400 watts each, are strapped together. I don't know if they're at 1 or 2 ohm each, but definitely was getting down with a lot of power. Also on his door speakers, as you can hear during the demo. I like that he has sub diagonally angled with the port up. Kind of a smart layout design and efficient to be able to have for a single sub box. And it's not exactly center console, but it's still got the job done. And he's done a couple of trial and error systems in his truck, so he knows what he's doing. So be sure to give him a like. I like that he has an angle chamfer design layout for the box. And I'm pretty sure he built it. So shout out to you, Steven. Did a good job. Total of 4,800 watts just on this 12-inch subwoofer. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. Subscribe for daily videos and enjoy the demo. All right.
with some money. But if they get with this shit, I'ma flush it. I'm in South Carolina. I'm looking for Rennies. You know I'm some pimpin' on it. She gotta be thick as hell. Big player. Can't do nothing with no skinny hoe. On the clock 47. That bitch look like a D. I hit it with both hands. I sign my own chick. Better stay in your lane, your little bitty broke ass. They hate that they left me. They regret what they said. But I don't accept, I don't. They claim anybody. The whole time it was somebody else. The next bring a real back. They be speaking his mind. That boy with the shit. These rap niggas beautiful. They be ready to kill you over a bitch. Hold up, I come around, niggas don't put they hoe up. They ask a question, they shit up and roll up. She even gets stole. He try to diss me to blow. I'm VVS to the floor. Pinky ring look like a donut. I do this shit for them niggas who solid and free all them real ones who gelling that bow mud. Damn, I can't do nothing with them. Beefing with who? It ain't nothing with them. I'm learning this slick shit. So nothing but big shit. You can get slumped with them. The Draco was under me. That bitch in my lap now. Come and get him. You think I ain't no point? Run up if you want, shoot this bitch through the window. They like, he buying the game, dropping nothing. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. Fuck. Birds of a feather. They fuck together, they make you a sucker. I don't fuck with nobody. If you ain't my time, then it's fuck. I want numbers some money. But if they get with this shit, I'ma flush it. I'm in South Carolina. I'm looking for Rennies. You know I'm some pimpin' though. She gotta be thick as hell. Big player, can't do nothing with no skinny hoe. On the block 47. That bitch look like a D. I hit it with both hands. I sign my own chicks. Better stay in your lane, your little bitty broke ass. They hate that they left me. They regret what they said, but I don't accept, I don't. They claim anybody. The whole time it was somebody else. But next bring real back. He be speaking his mind. That boy with the shit. Rap niggas beautiful. They be ready to kill you over a bitch. Hold up, I come around, niggas won't put they hold up. We ask the question, this shit up and roll up. She either gets stole. He try to diss me to blow. I'm VVS. So thankful, all in. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. Fuck, birds of a feather. They fuck together, they make you a sucker. I don't fuck with nobody. If it's my time, then it's fuck it. I want numbers some money. But if they get with this shit, I'ma flush it. I'm in South Carolina. I'm looking for Rennies. You know I'm some pimpin' though. She gotta be thick as hell. Big player, can't do nothing with no skinny hoe. On the clock 47.
Pretty good for a single sub, man. And you actually can hear all the lyrics, no distortion. You did a good job tuning it too. I like it, man.
And I do the street battles.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Did good, man. I like it.
It's all about clarity.
Yes, sir.
Not all about just bass.
Just bass, yeah. You can hear everything, clarity, sound quality. Very nice. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.